today Adrian and I will be showing you how to stop. I believe this is a venous bleed is what I will be showing you how to do. So you'll take some of those gauze squares there and you'll just start packing the bleed until it slows down enough. It should take like 3 to 4. I think I used 5. It just takes a little bit. It bleeds a lot. The puppy pad that's underneath it's gonna get soaked, or it's already soaked because when we were testing it. But it'll absorb all the blood. So, here in a minute, I'll get the wrap and I'll start wrapping it. So there's the wrap, and you'll just wrap it around the arm enough to hold the pressure of the gauze in the arm. It might take a lot, but it should slow down, if not stop altogether. And then you'll clamp it with those little silver clamps right there that Adrian is about to put on the arm.
Like Melanie's for a arterial bleed, you also have to pack the wound, as you can see me doing here. And after you pack the wound, again, you'll have to wrap, just like Melanie did, but difference is with an arterial wound, you also have to put on a tourniquet, which you'll see me do in just a second after I finish wrapping. You'll have to undo the velcro straps on the tourniquet, and then you put it on the arm. When you tighten it, you want it completely as tight as possible, and definitely tight enough that you can't fit 3 fingers under it is what the video says. But I found that when I tightened mine, I couldn't fit any fingers under it at all, as you can see. And then after that, you want to take the rod and you want to twist until the tourniquet tightens. And then there's a white strap. It's a time strap. You put your rod under it and then you tighten the velcro strap. And that's a tourniquet.